Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the frame, unbolt it from the tabletop here, and lift it off and above the machine. We're gonna turn it over, then lift the machine, still attached to the white plastic, straight up and onto our frame. Now we're going to lift this bad boy up onto its frame. You want to get a good holding position deep underneath. There's another drip tray to hold on to. You're also going to need a few willing, strong-bodied men or women to get this puppy over. The heavier side is going to be the side with the control box on it. So we're going to double up on this side. We're going to give it everything we got. In your package, you're going to get a manila envelope. Inside, you're going to look for these flathead screws. The screws we removed off of the machine while it's in shipping are not going to be reused right now. We're going to use these flatheads. It'll be flush to the tabletop when you resecure it. Okay, to secure this to the tabletop, you're going to need a 13mm socket and a 6mm Allen key. These ratcheting tips are pretty handy, but a standard L Allen key will be just fine. We're then going to take and insert the flathead screw into the hole. Here, insert the hole. Washer and nut will go underneath. You may need to slide the tabletop around a little bit to get the bolts lined up, but they should slide in nice and smooth once you get a couple corners in line.